Namaskar. Today we are going to discuss how to upload a quiz by a student in Google Classroom. So for that, let me take an example. I have already assigned a dummy quiz in Google Classroom. And for that, let me share the screen and then let me come to this point. So this one, yes, this one is the quiz. And I have to solve the quiz and then I have to submit it in the Google Classroom. So how do I submit it in the Google Classroom? So this is my quiz. This quiz is given in Kahoot. So this is, let me click it. Yes, I have clicked this link and then after doing it, it will be ready. Yes, ready, get, set, Kahoot. Okay, now see, already I have solved. For your convenience, I will do it by taking another name, so not me. Then it will come to m by taking another name. Suppose this is X. Yes, quiz has come up. First quiz. For which of the pairs of years the total exports. So here, this is the correct answer. You will decide which one is the correct answer and then click next. Yes. Then once again click next. Then this average annual exports. So let me see what is the question from this. Then again, suppose this is the correct answer. Okay. Then I click next. Then I'm just going willing to show you quickly how to submit this solved question. So once again, let me go to next. Then let me please wait a little while and then please come to this hard one. So this is the correct answer and put next. Then once again next. Then this is the fourth question again. Suppose fourth question, and this fourth question is, this is again the correct answer. And then let us go to the fifth question. Last question. If okay, it is coming to the last question. So last question, see, this is again the correct answer, suppose, and come to next. Yes. See, and now after this, you have seen there is a link. It is written here, link. Save this link and come back to see the podium once the challenge has finished. So please copy this link. Yes, link has been copied, and then you are to come back to the quiz, original quiz. So go back to your original quiz, and then have you seen here add or create? So click there, add, and then click the link and then paste this link and then add link. See, I'm doing this a little bit faster, but you can see it by slowing it down your video. So I hope you can do these things. Then click there, turn in. Click this turn in, and see, you will see there turn in. Yes, turn in. I click the turn in, and then you have seen, yes, this is turned in. So you can see this turned in now. It means you have already done it. And in some cases, it may show you mark as done. Okay, if it is showing as mark as done, then also you put their mark as done. So I hope you have understood it, and then I can stop it here. Thank you very much. Keep watching this and please subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you very much.